Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to remove animations in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for option to remove our menu animations, etc. So settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and in visibility enhancements when we scroll down we have remove animations. So what does this option do? Prevent some screen effects, useful if you are sensitive to animation or screen movement. So to remove animations we need to have to enable this option. It was on by default, so we don't need to change anything here, but this option is here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.